again getting themselves exposed on that short sell. And you can see the sellers getting exposed in the short sell in here. I was buying into oil there, and I was doing quite a lot of buying in that area. That's why I was late getting onto the Ninja Trader. And obviously we got the Ninja Trader here just before the price exploded. And that was as straightforward as it's likely to ever be, isn't it? Very, very straightforward trap. And just taking full advantage of that trap buy. Boom. 20 ticks profit. Literally 45 seconds. Pretty easy. Yeah, pretty easy stuff, guys. Pretty easy stuff. Bonds are back at the top edge again. We've had a couple of chances to sell away from the top edge. I don't know if anybody's played it, but there's been a couple of nice prophecy challenges here. And these are where the Grail comes into its own. You can see there was a couple of really nice, easy trades to sell into top edges. We got a nice swing once. We got a nice swing twice. The only downside was we didn't gain value. Do you see that? So the second sell turned out to be a rotten trade. It was a great trade when it started, but it turned out to be a rotten trade eventually because we never got any movement here. Look, if the red line is doing that, what should the bond price be doing? That. So whilst the top edge is a good sell, this is rotten. So as you saw that coming back into the prior lows, you know there's going to be a buyer coming in here, and you get away from it. Now, the predictor never predicted the buy coming in, but we can see that the direction is already predicting the buy coming in. We don't have to make any particular guesses about it. We just never got the kind of price that we would have wanted maybe to buy into the reversal. But the buy was almost a given that it was going to happen, and it did happen. So no danger there. And no danger there. We've made our money on it. We've went zeros to 16s twice, basically almost $1,000 of sell-side profits. And life, as I said, doesn't get much more difficult than that. We've been buy side off the bottom edge. We got the bids in this little trade area here. And obviously we've had a little top edge. And now the market's just moving back into that drive higher again on the back of some disappointing numbers. And that's absolutely fine. We can understand that. We can understand the disappointing numbers as bullish bonds. So there's a fundamental backdrop to that bullish bond narrative. There's a fundamental backdrop to that bullish equity narrative. We've managed to get a little spring trade. Did anybody buy the 21s? There was a very nice spring trade against declining interest rates. Spring trade at 21s, guys. Declining interest rates, surely. Don't call me Shirley. Don't all type in at once, guys. Webinar can only take so much. Wow, okay. I guess nobody's learning very much at the moment. So there was a brilliant little spring trade here. Interest rates were declining hard, so that should have been an automatic buy trade. And if it's not, you're not learning very much, guys. You're not learning very much. If that's not an automatic buy trade, I don't know what is. Very, very easy spring trade. Top right-hand hold. Break above the 24s. What happens at 24? It's a key strike. We know that as it hits a key strike price, we know there's going to be some hedging coming in. We know there's going to be some hedge buyers coming in at that price. And we've had a very, very nice rip to the upside. So no idea why you didn't like that trade, guys. I am baffled about why that's not in everybody's portfolio. We've just hit target price there, and we're booking. We're booking. So I guess we're having to go back to the start again, guys. Back to the start again. We've got to make sure you guys get these trades because that is an absolute benchmark. Benchmark buy opportunity off the 20s here. Structure-wise, of course, it is a brilliant structure as well. You can see it's taken out all of those offers there. The spring trade, the top right-hand hold, the drop-off in rates. As I said, if that's not a buy trade, nothing's a buy trade. If that's not a buy trade, you're never going to find a buy trade. And the upshot, it's not bad. We went 20s, 29s, 6-7 points, $300. Pretty good. Pretty good.